What's going on YouTube? This is your boy the Vintage Man, and in today's video we're gonna be taking an early look and doing an early review over the upcoming Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies, aka the Georgetowns. So stay tuned. How's everybody doing today, man? Thank you for pulling up to the video. If you clicked on it, you see me holding these beautiful Air Jordan 3s in the thumbnail and the title. We're taking an early look, like I said, doing an early review over these. They will be releasing this upcoming Saturday, retailing for $190. The homie DaRetroWizKid actually let me take an early look at these beauties right here. I will link his channel down below in the description box, so you guys can go head over to his channel. He will be doing a review and an on feet, so you can see these things on feet, see what kind of jeans you want to wear with them, and see how you actually want to lace your Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies, aka the Georgetowns. Before we get any further in today's video, if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button. Try to give you guys more early reviews, some more unboxings, and of course we're gonna do some on feats in the very near future. And we also just started back up doing a live cop, so make sure the notification bell is on right now so you get notified whenever any of that content drops for you guys. Hit the like button. That like button goes a long way. That really helps the channel grow. So do your boy a solid by smacking that like button real quick. My Instagram will be linked down below in the description box. If you have any questions for me, you want to hit me up in the DMs. And with all that out the way, man, let's jump right into these beautiful Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, real quick, I want to give you guys a quick little 360 of the sneaker. You guys see it, just such a beautiful sneaker, man. I love how Jordan Brand lately, the last couple years, me and the homies actually talking about it. The leather quality they've been doing for these threes is just crazy, man. If you guys don't remember, the Air Jordan 3 True Blues dropped back in 2016. And the leather quality was trash, and they charges $225 or $220 for that sneaker, and the leather was super stiff. But all the threes after that, in my opinion, have been super buttery, super nice. And I actually got a couple next to me right now that I want to show you guys how well Jordan Brand has been doing the leather quality for our Air Jordan 3s. So we got the Air Jordan 3 UNCs released last year, and this right here, you guys already know, it did some numbers. A lot of people sought this sneaker out. A lot of people wanted it. And me, I had to pay that resale value, but definitely a top 10 release of 2020. But just checking out the leather quality, just super buttery. Already rocked these beauties right here. Goes with a lot of things. Of course, you got that UNC blue. And just like the UNC ones we got recently, you throw UNC on any silhouette Jordan has, I feel like it's gonna do numbers, and a lot of people are gonna want that original colorway. And another three that I picked up recently is the Air Jordan 3 Code Japan denims that released last year sometime. They did a Japan or Tokyo exclusive, and of course we got the US exclusive with just a Nike Air and a Jumpman on the back. As you guys can see right here, you kind of got that Chinese lettering for the Nike on top. But again, emphasizing the leather quality Jordan Brand has been doing, it's just super crazy. So let's check out the box really quickly. You guys know recently I've been doing this new little box for the Air Jordan 3s with, like, you know, the solid color on this side and the cement on this side, or the elephant print. These are a size 10.5 Air Jordan 3 Retro Midnight Navy and white. And like I said, retail for $190. You guys see it right there. With my threes, I usually go true to size, but if you want to, you definitely go down half a size. All right, so these Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies did come equipped with the white laces, but they also came with the navy blue laces as well to kind of match the predominant color of the upper of these threes. In my opinion, the white really pops lately with all my sneakers, man. I've been throwing the white laces in there, and it's been looking very good. You guys let me know which one you like more, the white laces or the navy blue laces in these Georgetown 3s. The general release for these Midnight Navies was inspired by the Georgetown 3s. Jordan Brand loves to give us the general release of any of, I feel like, the P's that they drop. You guys see me show the Air Jordan 3 UNCs, but instead of the UNC being on the tongue, is just a regular embroidered Jumpman. And with these right here, instead of any Georgetown logo or anything like that, they just gave us a regular Jumpman on the tongue right here, and they also threw the Jumpman Air on the back. So that's always super clutch. You don't gotta go spend, you know, $2,000-$3,000 for that player exclusive. Just wait a little while. You can get the general release of the same sneaker, but definitely pay way less than that player exclusive. So again, you got your Jumpman and your Air right here on the heel tab, and of course you have your elephant print on the back of the sneaker, and also you have the elephant print on the toe box of these threes. Again, when you get your threes in hand, it should have some nice leather quality. I know sometimes Jordan can be inconsistent with the leather qualities. We see that a lot with our Air Jordan 1s. We get like a tumble patch of leather on the toe box, and it might be super flat on the side. But these right here, like I said, every single 3 I've been picking up recently have been super buttery in hand, and the leather quality has been great. You get your great hits and the perforated leather on the lacing system of these 3s right here. And you also have some perforated holes on the entire tongue of these 3s as well, man. Navy Jumpman Air with the gray tongue. I just feel like that white contrasts perfectly off that navy blue and the gray on these 3s. Nothing too crazy with the Air unit, just solid gray and translucent right there, as you guys can see. And you see that shiny paint, that shiny midnight navy blue on the midsole of these Georgetown 3s. I feel like they've done a very, very good job with this sneaker. I've been telling people for a little bit now that these are definitely a must-cop for the collection. Inside the sneaker, man, of course, you only get your regular cardboard shoe tree. You have a white Jumpman on the insole, and of course you have your size sticker right here, and just a predominantly gray sock liner right there, as you guys can see. Like I said, the homie did do it on feet already. I will link his video and his channel in the description box so you guys can go check it out. Before the bottoms right here, you have your navy Jordan right here and a predominantly gray and midnight navy outsole. That white is gonna get very, very dirty, but it is what it is. Rocky sneakers, they meant to get dirty. And I also want to point out the stars you get on the toe box area of the outsole. Check it out, you should have like a bunch of stars right there. The more times you wear the sneaker, of course, the more those stars will fade away, man. So again, these will be releasing March 20th, which is this upcoming Saturday, retailing for $190. You guys let me know right now in the comment section if you'll be going after these. Is this a must cop? Is it a pass? Is it fire? Is it trash? Let us know something in the comment section. You guys know I respond to every single comment. I love interacting with you guys and seeing how you feel about some of the upcoming releases from Jordan, Yeezy, Adidas, and pretty much any sneaker in general, man. Just drop your honest thoughts and opinions in the comment section. I would definitely get to it. Just very interested in seeing what you guys think about these 3s Jordan brand bringing out for us. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Early look, early review over the Air Jordan 3 Georgetowns. Hit that like button right now if you did enjoy today's video, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. More early reviews, more unboxings, more on feats coming to the channel. So hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any content that your boy DaVinci brings y'all. I appreciate all the love and support. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thanks for pulling up to the channel today. And with all that out the way, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.